Today, we are making a great minced meat roll in the oven. A very simple and quick recipe. Let's get started. Put the minced meat in a bowl and break 2 eggs into it. Reserve the yolk of one of the eggs for later use. Add salt, black pepper, and red pepper powder, and knead until everything is well mixed. Want to know something cool? Wrapping meat in bread dates back thousands of years. In Turkey, they call it durum. In Greece, it's gyros. In Lebanon, shawarma. And in Mexico, the burrito. It all started as a fast and tasty street food in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. So how did it come to the US? Immigrants brought these amazing delicacies with them in the mid-1900s. Soon cities like New York and Los Angeles were filled with shawarma, taco, and gyro joints. And in the late 90s, fast food chains stepped in, McDonald's, KFC, transforming this delicacy into what we now call a chicken wrap. It's crazy how far it's come, isn't it? Okay, back to our version. We put the grated cheese on our tortilla. We put another tortilla on it. After greasing it, we add our ground beef that we prepared beforehand. I put spring onions on it. You can choose according to your taste. And we wrap our tortillas and roll them up. We arrange the wraps on our pre-greased tray. I cut it in the middle and cut it in half for better cooking. We add a tablespoon of milk into the egg yolk that we separated in advance, and after whisking it well, we spread it on our wraps. We cook our wraps in our oven heated at 180 degrees. I cooked it for 20 minutes. When our wraps are browned, we add some grated cheese on them. After 10 more minutes of cooking, it is ready. I add a little parsley on top. I think it goes well with the wraps. Bon appetit!